Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial we'll see how to transfer amount from your credit card to a bank account. So usually you will have some credit card limit in your credit card, and then many times you wanted to use it via your bank account. So to transfer a credit card it's very difficult as many application doesn't support to transfer from your credit card to a bank account, but still there is one way. So what you can do is like you can log into mobikwik.com. uh, Here the URL is mentioned in the description below, and once you log in, before you transfer it to your bank account, you have to add a amount to the mobikwik wallet. So let's say I want to transfer some 200 rupees to my bank account via my credit card. So what I have to do is like first I have to add an amount. So currently I'm already having 100 rupees, so let me add 100 more, and then so now it will ask, now we can see this is my credit card, and I have to enter my CVV number, and then once it's done it will redirect to my bank account page, and then I'll enter my OTP. So now from my credit card the amount has been added to mobikwik wallet, but now uh, after this you have to transfer this amount to your bank account. So to do that you have to go to the left menu option, transfer to bank account. Now I have 200, and you can use your existing bank account. If you have already saved, you can mention your account number, IFSC code, everything. And here now if you have 200 rupees you cannot transfer whole amount, because now you have to pay some commission to this mobikwik. So suppose if I try to transfer whole 200 rupees, I'll get an error saying that you need at least 7.79 extra, which means for every 100 rupees you have to pay almost 3.3 rupees 50 paise as a commission to mobikwik, so that you will be able to transfer your amount from credit card to bank account. So now I'll not be able to transfer whole 200 rupees, so instead I'll transfer 193. So not even 183, I can transfer 182 rupees. And so now you see the processing fee has been deducted as 7.48 rupees. So now I click on go, and you will get a confirmation dialog, and again it will ask for the OTP, and then you just confirm with the OTP number. So now you can see the money sent successfully. So in this way you can transfer amount from your credit card to a bank account easily, but just you have to pay for every 100 rupees you have to pay commission of 3 rupees 50 paisa. So which is better than your interest which you will be paying. If you take a loan of 10,000 you have to pay almost 8 to 9% of interest per month. So it's a good option. In It will be very useful during emergencies and all those. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel.